Hi, Blake with BlvdHome. We're going to tackle today a question that everybody always asks me. I'm sure they ask the salespeople all the time. When you go to buy an appliance, how long is my appliance supposed to last? Or how long is it going to last? Or when I come out of their house, how long is this going to last once you're done fixing it? Well, we'll try to address these problems. Let's get to the root of the cause. How long will my appliance really last? It's going to last as long as the warranty is in place. That's one thing I can guarantee you for sure. Now, however long the warranty may be, it's going to last that long. Now, I know this is a durable good. Typically, they like durable goods to last anywhere between 5 to 10 years, and some are going to be greater, some are going to be less. It just all depends on a lot of different factors. That could be how it's used, and the environment it's in, how well it's taken care of, the maintenance done on it. It's just like owning a car. You know, you have to do all these things with your appliances. If you don't take care of them, and they're not going to last. Let's get into the root cause of appliances, why this is basically their lifespan. We're going to go down this road with refrigerators. I have people tell me all the time when I'm out to their house, they say, well, gosh, out in my garage, I have this old refrigerator that I've had for 20, 30 years, and it's still running great. And I've had this refrigerator in here, and it's only lasted for 6 years, and it's gone, and it's done. And what you're going to charge me to fix it, I could go buy a new refrigerator. Both those statements are probably very accurate, and I'm not going to deny that they're not, but they are very accurate. Yes, repair costs have skyrocketed, and that's due to a lot of things, just labor costs and part costs. But let's break this down. So this is what I explained to everybody, all my customers, so I'm going to explain it to you, and hopefully this will help you understand. And I'm not knocking the manufacturer, I'm not defending them, I'm just saying this is reality and where we're at. I've been doing this for 30 years, so let's go back 30 years. 30 years ago, in this area that we live in, houses were anywhere between $120,000 and $180,000. For a basic refrigerator, they were running about $1,200 to $1,500 for this brand new refrigerator. That's a lot of money. So let's talk percentages. We break down the cost of the appliance and the house. We're about 1% of the cost of the house is that refrigerator. Nowadays, we have these refrigerators with all these features. They're bigger, they have water and ice dispensers pretty much in every one of them. They're more efficient. They have computers that will monitor both sections and give you more accurate temperatures than the old ones would. Now, typically a house in this area is about $500,000 to $550,000. A brand new refrigerator that has all these features and everything is now about $2,500. So do the math, this is 0.5% of the house's value. Think about it, $140,000, 1% the value. $500,000, you're paying more for the refrigerator, and it's 0.5%. Something is wrong here. Every year, the manufacturers go to the consumer and they say, okay, consumer, what do you want in your appliance? And the consumer says, I want this, 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 and this on my appliance. So the manufacturers can say, oh yeah, I can build it. Then the government comes in and says, okay, well, you have to meet this mandate, and this mandate. And the manufacturer says, okay, well, we can make this appliance. And then the consumer steps in and says, whoa, 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 wait a minute. I only want to pay this much for this appliance. The manufacturer goes, okay, we have to make a profit. We can do it for that price, but we have to cheapen it up to make it for that price. And unfortunately, that's what happens. Now, I'm a consumer and I feel that pain too, but the cost of labor has gone up. Cost of parts have gone up. Well, this is the same for manufacturing. Labor costs aren't the same. Part costs aren't the same. How can they build this refrigerator for $2,500? Typical house is $500,000, and you expect this $2,500 refrigerator to last as long as your older refrigerator that you paid a lot more for 30 years ago. It's not going to. That's the cold, hard reality that we all have to face. Until we as a consumer are willing to pay $5,000 for a freestanding refrigerator, they will make them last. They'll make it as strong because they have better technologies. They're never going to last like they used to. I wish I could tell you otherwise, but it's basically consumer driven. There's also a theory out there of planned obsolescence, and the manufacturers are purposely building these to fail in 8 to 10 years or 5 to 10 years. They're planning on failing, so you have to buy something new. I don't believe that. I truly believe it goes to the cost of building the appliance and what the consumer is willing to pay. That's what I truly believe. The manufacturers, just like anybody, you're trying to make money so they can pay their bills, build factories, pay their employees, and furniture stores. When we sell appliances, we can make a profit and everything else. Everybody has to make money to be able to survive in this world. Nothing in this world's free. So in saying that, if you're on that theory, they're making them to fail so they make more money. Well, if we were willing to pay more money for the appliance to begin with, they would make a bigger profit because they could spend the money that they need to spend to make it the same way, still make their profit, and you'd have your appliance longer. I don't subscribe to that. I think that's a myth, and some people may say I'm completely wrong, and I'm sure if you do, you're probably going to put it in the comment section, which I do encourage you to do. But I hope this video kind of helps you understand the logic of the manufacturers and what they're having to do. honestly, most appliances will last you 8 to 10 years. After that, I can't tell you for sure. Anyhow, expect that much out of your appliance. If you have any other questions or comments, please put them below in the comment section, and we'll see you again real soon.